Crude oil achieved $77 levels. I have discussed in my analysis yesterday that it is giving higher lows, and as long as 74 is respected, we can expect a potential rise. Now 77 is one level which is going to provide maximum resistance. So can we expect oil to break past 77 today? And if yes, then what should be the target and how to profit trading crude oil today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. Let's start. And thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Do like, share, and comment as well. Now, look at the hourly charts. See, on the hourly charts, first of all, crude has been trading in this bullish channel, and it has completed its recovery there. See, this was the drop here. If you divide into two half, this was the drop. I have mentioned several times 73.8, 74 zone you should watch out for. And precisely it has recovered from the same levels. Now, if you connect the dots, the lows for this channel is now at 75. So as long as 75 is not taken, we are not going to treat oil as bearish. This is also very, very clear. But can we treat this as bullish? Can we expect it to bounce back? See, what has happened after this drop and what has happened before this drop? Sideways move. What is happening after this rise is a sideways move. Also, this is followed with a complete drop and a recovery. So here also something can be expected. Possibly, we may see oil retracing towards 76, 75.8 zone and achieving those levels. It can bounce back towards 78 levels. This is something which we can look forward to. But now look at the hourly charts. See, moving averages have crossed over here. This is a bullish cross. Prices consolidating here. Higher lows are seen, suggests that there is a good support on the downside, and lower highs or the resistance at 77 anyways it's strong. The stochastic at bottom, MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge crossover. Now it does not mean that it cannot scale to further highs. RSI near to overbought. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts, after staying bearish for a while, it is now crossing over. Moving average is trying to show slight bullishness. Look at the 2-hour charts, double top levels here, resistance here, and see these two candles and then this bearish candle. So potentially right now it is trying to give a slight bearish move, and see it is only to be treated bearish if it stays below 76, 75.8 levels. So this has become the selling levels for us. One can sell here at 75.8 and then expect it to move towards 75.5, 75, and then further lows to be seen. See, as long as 73.8, 74 is respected, do not treat oil as bearish. Again, I am saying. Now, what has happened here? See, yes, the V-shaped recovery, same observation is continuing here. Stochastic, looking at the bottom, MACD is in green, trying to converge here, crossover for the buys. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3-hour charts here. Yes, trading in the zone is still bullish. Potential towards 76, 75.8 levels exist, but do not treat oil as bearish. Again, this is the consolidation here, 75, 74.8 and then 74. So two support levels here on the downside. Be careful, be watchful. Second, see on the 3-hour charts, it is showing swings, higher lows, lower highs. Any rise above 77 and 77.2, these two levels you should mark in your charts, 77 and 77.2. See, beyond these levels, I will look forward for gold or crude oil to hit 77.8 and 78 as the next target, and in fact it can fly further highs. See, stochastic here is indeed overbought, but look at MACD. This is divergent, bullish, looking upwards, and it is creating good waves here, so it can potentially achieve higher highs here. RSI comfortable. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour chart, symmetrical formation, lower highs, lower lows, it can retrace and then a breakout can be expected. Now most importantly on the 4-hour chart, see, one observation I would like to mention is it is still yielding lower highs. We have to wait for it to stay above 77.2 levels. Beyond 77.2, you can say that the prices are turning bullish and it is a breakout towards 78 and $80 levels. But right now it is very much in the zone, very much consolidating here. Also higher lows, lower highs are seen. We have to wait for a breakout. One can potentially take a sell entry at 70 6.3 levels here, but with a caution note that see it will find its support at 76, 75.8, which is going to be a very very good support. Thus, if you're taking a sell entry at 76.3, it is going to be a little riskier. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish, looking upwards, RSI flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, before we do the study of the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced. You can pre-book your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. You can definitely benefit. More details related to the batch you can get by visiting my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform has one motto that let's create wealth together, and it has much more in offering, be it the mentorship batch details. Yes, you can also register for my webinar. We have started a weekly webinar where every Sunday we are discussing the projection of the markets, the behavior of the markets in the coming week, and also I'll be taking up your live questions. And this platform has much more market tickers, the breaking news, the economic calendar is available. The live charts of every instrument across the globe is available here. You can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And here on the discussion forum, we can initiate a discussion with the traders out there. Do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. All the links are there in the channel and video description. And for details related to Signals channel, reach out to me via Telegram or email. Now, see, yesterday also I have mentioned, and again I am mentioning, on the daily charts, we are seeing higher lows here. Also on the daily charts, we are seeing lower highs here. Today is the day when there could be a potential breakout. We have to wait for it to give a breakout. Remember this fact, right now it is still in the consolidation zone. So what is to be treated as a breakout and how to profit? Now, see, lower highs are there. Also, if you see what has happened here, this is shown a reversal sign. This is symmetrical formation. So from here, it can go either which ways. But once it stays beyond 77.2, and we can look forward to a move towards 77.8, 78. And if it stays beyond 78 this time, see, one can remain bullish on oil towards $80 levels. Yes, it can completely reverse from the current levels. Just we are waiting for a break. Right now, it is still very much not bullish. You can say prices can reverse again today as stochastic has dropped, trying to rise. Now, see why it could rise. MACD has crossed over here at bottom, and I have shown this several times. This is the first wave, this is the second wave, and it is starting to look upwards. This is coming from a very, very lower levels. Thus, it calls for a strong rise here. RSI is rising as well. So now one can buy here at 77.2 levels. This is the zone where you can initiate a buying position. Beyond 77.2 is where we can look forward to a massive rise towards 77.8 and 78 as the first target. After 78 is where the bulls will be taking over and we can look forward to a massive rise. On the downside, a selling entry is only below 70. See, you can sell here at 76.3. This price, the higher price, has to be below 76.3 in order to confirm further bearishness. But then there is going to be a greater support at 76, 75.8 zone. It is only, or it will get a downward pull only if you see it is staying below 75.8, even though 75.5 and then 75. Now 75 is the next milestone, and this is a critical milestone for today. Below 75 is where the bears will take over. So as long as these levels are not taken, do not trade or do not treat oil as bearish. It can bounce back strongly. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again before the US session update. Do not miss that. Thank you very much.